Hey everybody, this is Tecx and welcome back to another amazing blazing update from Samsung Galaxy Amazing World. But this is not an Galaxy device, this is your Galaxy Essentials, that is your buds. And today this got a new software update which released in India 2 days ago. So I thought if you have using this device, then I thought I should make video so that you guys can aware and update your buds and listen non-stoply. So this is from your Samsung, and this is your Samsung Buds 2, which got new security patch. Sorry, it is not security patch. Which got your new update. So we are going to discuss what's that update, and there is so much many updates. So this video is not going to be long. So let's jump. So here you can see I'm in your Samsung smartphone, and if you wanna update your buds, then you just have to do some simple things that keep connected your buds, then you can update it easily. So here you can see first we discuss your what's new, then to important section, that is software update information section, that is so much important. So when you see, then you can see clearly update your buds and improved system stability and reliability. That is so much important, guys, because as you are using Samsung buds, and this is so much amazing. I already used, and this is kind of affordable also, and it is really value giving product, so you can definitely try. So you can see improved system stability, that's great, and learn at more. If you wanna read all the things about this update, when it got last update and whatever in detail, then you can definitely consider this link. I will definitely put link in description or pin up in comment section. Go and check it easily. And let's move to important section, that is software update information section. And here we discuss your version name and security patch level. Not, it is your size, sorry. You know, by making video of your Samsung Galaxy devices, I just stuck at my tongue. So you can see its size, that is so much small. It is 2.99 megabytes. As it is your buds, then what you guys expect from this? So whatever. And its version name for starting for your R177 and a long thing, that is your product code. You can consider, and you can read some cause in here that you won't be able to use your earbuds while installing these updates. So this is kind of simple things if you want to know, and some settings of your earbuds may change. So just don't worry, you can restore those settings. You can definitely update this, and update must, because if you wanna improve your stability and reliability of your earbuds, so that will be great for you guys. So this is the whole update for your Samsung Earbuds 2, and hope you find this video helpful, because I tried something new product as I already covering this update, because I remember I covered another buds in January, and this is my second bud video. So if you wanted to continue this series, then definitely hit like and subscribe if you don't want to miss these kind of devices update or any other Samsung Galaxy update that is usual. So definitely just don't miss. So thank you for watching, guys, and if you really find this video helpful, just share those buddies who have this buds, so that they can enjoy easily and update their buds. So thank you for watching again, and I will be really seeing you an amazing blazing away from Samsung. So be subscribed, hit that bell icon, and bye bye, see you and take care.